Now more than ever, we all crave human connection. That little spark that lets you know we're in this together. The sound of close friends. The warmth of good food. A place where everyone has a seat at the table. And if we can just get that right, it opens the doors to so much more.
Family, all in this together. Family, we're taking a chance. Family, like birds of a feather. Family, kick off your shoes and dance. Hey!
More people to host, more cultures to share, more reasons to laugh, more recipes to perfect. More fires to kindle, more foods to try, more low and slow and heat on high. More smoke to savor, more legends to forge. More views, values, and ideas. More you, more us, more this. Anything is possible when everyone's invited.